Here we have the AEGISLINK 10-year battery smoke detector with alarm. This smoke detector utilizes the latest photoelectric technology that responds faster to smoke from smoldering fires, giving you the earliest possible warning of potential danger. What's great about this, it has a built-in 10-year lithium battery. You can sleep soundly knowing that the battery has a 10-year life and never has to be replaced. Just the savings alone on changing batteries yearly will pay for itself. This is packed with outstanding functionality into a miniaturized design. Has over 85 dB loud siren, test, silence button, and self-test function. It's super easy to install. With its slim mount, you can easily screw it into the wall with screws provided, or I liked the fact that you could use double-sided tape and tape it and not leave any marks or holes in the wall or ceiling. The detector is made of high-quality ABS material that is both fire retardant and high temperature resistant, ensuring that the device continues to sound even in a dangerous and hostile situation. The compact design is the height 1.9 inch and width 3 inches. It fits nice and snug in the palm of your hand. Coverage of detection is 215 to 430 square feet. I installed the smoke detector on the entrance ceiling of my staircase going upstairs, and I plan to install more, and you should too.